Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok uploading problem. If you have any problem with the upload, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot, so please keep watching until the end so you don't miss anything. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to search for TikTok and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. Or what you want to do here is go to the data users and make sure to enable the mobile data and Wi-Fi and the roaming data and disable only the background data. Go back and click on the storage, click on clear cache, clear data, and then click on this force stop right here. And now you have to go to the Play Store and update the TikTok app, and you can do the same thing on iPhone. That's it guys. After you finish, restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.